Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Joni and this is
Noah.
She's just back from
Japan.
We get some snacks, so we're gonna try that. We're gonna do a mukbang.
Yes.
So please keep on watching. Okay, first of what we're gonna try?
What do we want to try?
This one?
Or this one?
Yeah,
so
okay, let's do that one.
This is the weird one, right?
Yeah, just let.
I have no clue what this is. But I saw this. It was like, I think it was 10 yen. It was like nothing. That's like 1 cent.
Really? Oh, wow.
It was like, it was like nothing. Oh.
Oh. Weird.
Why?
Ooh.
Oh,
Coke.
strong flavor. Yes.
It's like Coke. But is it too tiny?
Wait, are you supposed to eat them at the same time?
I think so.
Okay, maybe we should
Break.
break them. Okay. Yes. Because that's what it looks like, right?
Okay.
But this is nothing like the picture.
No. It looks more jelly-like.
Okay.
No, and I don't like it.
Mm.
I think it's gum. Or no.
I'm not really sure if we can swallow this or
No,
if
this
it's
is gum.
gum.
It's gum.
Mm.
It's gum, for sure.
Yes, it's gum.
Whoa, it's big though.
Mm-hmm.
If we had the
The entire
full
piece?
strings,
Yes. Mm.
mouth will be like...
It is like you said, like cola or Coke gum.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is not like the picture.
But
This
I like it though.
Mm-hmm. It's like gum, yes.
8 out of 10? 8 out of 10.
It is
I
like
really
that.
enjoy it.
It does have that cola taste.
Mm-hmm, it does.
Okay, and that just looks disgusting.
No. I like it. Okay, maybe I should...
Where are we supposed to put it here?
You can put it there, I'll just put it on something else.
This one doesn't anything. Oh, you can use this.
Yeah, I will. On my channel, you will see the second part of the video. And if you want to see the first part, you can just go to her channel.
Yes.
And your channel is called?
Noa Huang. But just put
I'll
a
put
link
it down
or something.
in the subscription.
Yeah, put a link.
Or how do you call it? The description box or something? I don't know.
Description box.
You have it?
But you can also put something in the corner so that you can click on
the
it.
eye.
Yes, the information thing.
Okay, we'll do that.
But it's easier to just put it in the description.
Okay, I'll just spit it out.
It's not that chewy actually. It's so smooth.
I
It's
like
smooth
that.
gum. But
I like that about gum. I'm a gum lover, by the way. I don't know.
I think it's
I
too.
love gum.
But I guess it's too big if you were to put all of it.
Oh, it's really colorful.
Yes, it's all purple.
Oh my god.
Okay, that looked disgusting. Sorry. Okay, next.
Now I want to try this.
Okay, the
Orange. Orange.
mochi type of thing.
Mochi. Okay.
Oh, did it have discount? 1%. 1%.
1%.
I don't know.
How much is it? Not
How much?
even
Oh no,
$1.
no. 20% off.
But how much is this?
Oh, 170. Wait, 187. Yeah,
Nee, 78 is it.
70. Oh yeah, 78. Wow. Just ignore that. It's like
Meanwhile, I'm gonna try this.
€1.50.
Oh. It's not that cheap. Ooh. I love mochi. It's good though.
This one is good. Yeah.
I'll definitely would eat this. Definitely. I give this a 9. Or 10 maybe. 9.5.
I give this an 8, but
Why?
It's too sweet for me.
Yeah. Personally, I would only eat like one piece.
And then I would be done.
Or maybe a half. But that's really sweet.
It's too much. Okay. Which
Next.
one you wanted to... What if this one... Wait, this is the other long man. But you don't like it?
No, I will not try this.
Good.
I already tried the other
I'll
one
try
in
it.
her video. So, I just opened this one.
But what if
I
it's
think
the
it's the
same?
same.
What if it's the same?
It is the same. Okay, never mind.
It does seem like the same way. You can
It
open
is.
it and then we can see. This is a... This smells...
Oh!
Oh, this smells so, like,
Oh my god.
weird.
Not
This is
the
so
package.
sweet.
Oh my god.
It doesn't even smell like fruit. It just smells like sugar. Like,
Yeah.
long, man.
But it smells familiar. Like, in Hong Kong, you also have like something.
You have
like
also the chewy.
Oh
the
yeah,
chewy ones?
no, yeah.
It tastes like
The
that.
gummies.
It's the same.
It's the same. It's literally the same
I'll
what,
taste it.
what we ate.
But it's the shorter one. Oh.
Yeah, we have the we ate the long version.
This is the other one version. Oh, it's the same, but then
Oh my god.
okay. She doesn't like the texture.
No, I don't. I want to try
I will
this one.
say, I do like this flavor more.
Yeah. No.
I like this one more. Also, this one is stronger in flavor than the long man.
No, no.
Yes.
I'll try the strawberry.
Okay.
But what is it? It's with yogurt or something. Or white white
I
chocolate.
think white chocolate with strawberries. Strawberry. Yeah, it's strawberry coated. Strawberry coated with strawberry chocolate. It just says.
It's okay though. It's really sweet.
I do like this one more than the chocolate one.
No, I prefer the chocolate one. I'm so curious for everything. That's why I want to eat it. Huh?
Oh my god. That's not what I thought it would be like.
Huh? It looks like
It looks like
a wrap.
there would be cherry in it or something.
Cherry blossom. Oh, it's sticky.
Oh my god, why is it so weird?
I don't know. I want to get.
Are you supposed to put it in something?
I don't know. I'll just put it in my mouth.
But why does it look
Ooh.
like medicine here?
It's sour.
It looks like medicine.
It is sour.
Well.
It is really red.
So it's better than the other one that's sour because that was a
No, it's not
disappointment.
super sour, but like
Oh, okay.
I did not expect it to be sour. No.
Okay.
It's like oh. How you- It's like,
Like a lollipop
vitamin, you
or
know.
something. Yeah.
Oh.
It is medicine. Vitamins.
Is it medicine?
Maybe it is for children. Like medicine.
I would never give my kid this because maybe sure he will
Oh,
choke in it, you
yes.
know, like no.
It does taste like.
I don't like it. Not my thing. Sorry.
Is this medicine? Is
I
it
don't know.
vitamins?
Yeah, it tastes okay. I cannot read it. It tastes like vitamins. Okay, I wanna eat
Maybe
this one
that's
because
what
I
it's
like it.
saying, like vitamin covered in honey or something. It tastes
Yeah,
like
maybe.
honey.
This is just matcha, right?
Okay,
Or not?
I'll finish that later.
Or maybe this is spinach. You can have the other one.
Okay, what do you think of the smell? I just put another piece of this in my mouth. Okay, it doesn't smell that bad as last time. The last time I opened it, it was last year. I tried it and it was like, ugh, it smells like fish. But I will taste it.
I love it. Ooh, a really strong green tea taste after
Yes.
this. Really strong. Bit bitter. Oh, it's really bitter. It's going through my throat.
Okay, I don't like it.
I don't like the aftertaste.
Do you want it?
No, thank you.
No. I still don't like matcha.
I like matcha, but not always. Like the sticks are good.
Matcha
I'm gonna
sometimes.
eat this from the last
Yeah,
video.
that matcha tastes better, like.
Yeah, this one is more sweet. That one has
And
more
you
bitter
rated
taste.
it so low, like a 4 or something. I don't know.
Yeah, because like. Okay, I will give it a 6 then.
It's better, right? This matcha, you can have it. I still have to finish this.
We forgot to rate it. This one
Wait, yes.
a 3.
This one is.
This one a
Okay.
6.
No, that one, I would say 8. But this one, it's probably medicine.
Yeah, I think so.
It looked like candy.
Yeah.
And I thought it was
To
gonna
attract
be.
people, you know?
No, I thought it was gonna be like cherry or something.
Yeah, the cherry blossom. I would definitely eat this.
But the pocky is good, right?
I love the pocky. Pocky is my mate. My pocky
Your
mate.
favorite.
For sure.
Yeah, the matcha. Still not my thing. I do like matcha sometimes.
But I think you have to learn
But-
to eat it.
For me, matcha just tastes like grass or something like plants. But
No.
it is a plant, but I mean it just tastes so much like
It
plant.
tastes like tea.
It doesn't taste like tea for me.
You know, like the English tea. If you put it really long and you're gonna drink, it's really
I never
bitter,
do
right?
that. That's so. I don't like bitter.
Yeah, but this is the same. Like if you eat it, it's really bitter taste, really strong taste. So for me, it tastes like tea. I like it, but not
For
that
me, it's
much.
like bitter tea
Yeah,
with
exactly.
the taste of plant.
Of grass.
Yeah, grass.
Yeah, I understand. I understand. Okay, I think that was it. So thank you very much for watching, and I see you next time. Please subscribe to her channel and to my channel as well. Subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye.